If you say these 6 compliments, you'll attract any woman you want right now. Did you know that a single sentence can completely change how a woman sees you today? I'll show you how to use a simple phrase to not only attract women, but also project the confidence they genuinely seek in a man. These phrases aren't magical, but I assure you, when used correctly, they will transform how women perceive you and how you connect with them. So stick around until the end, because I'll teach you exactly how to use these 6 phrases to see results starting today before we dive in. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. By doing this, you're not only supporting my work, but also helping the algorithm recognize this content as valuable and share it with more people who need this information. So can I count on your, let's get straight to it. Phrase 1, that fragrance you're well in is addictive. It smells amazing. This compliment is particularly special because it's not something most men notice or mention when you say this. It will pleasantly surprise her. She'll start wondering how you manage to catch those small details that others miss. This phrase works because our sense of smell is deeply connected to emotions and memory. When you tell her that her fragrance is addictive, you're not just saying it smells nice. You're letting her know that her presence captivates you in a unique way. Beyond physical appearance, it's a subtle compliment with a sensual undertone, making it even more intriguing. Essentially, you're telling her she has something that lingers with you, something unforgettable. Every woman loves to hear that. Try this one and watch her reaction. I guarantee it will surprise you. Your phrase 2. You have a smile that brightens anyone's day. This compliment is pure gold. It's not just sweet, it carries a highly positive impact. It helps you stand out because it's not shallow. You're going deeper. It works so well because it focuses on something natural and genuine. Her smile, but it's not just about how her smile looks. It's about the effect it has. What's great about this is that it's simple, authentic, and pressure-free. You're not just commenting on her physical appearance. You're highlighting the positive energy she brings to those around her. Knowing she has such a positive effect is something no one can ignore. Before we continue, let me ask you, ever thought about sending just one text that could make a woman crave? You instantly imagine a message so powerful, it takes over her mind, making her think about you non-stop, even if she's currently with someone else or sees you as just a friend. These secret phrases trigger an obsession, leaving her excited and desperate to see you. But be warned if you don't want her falling. Head over heels, don't use these ready to have her hooked. Click the first link below to download these magnetic messages and watch her count down the minutes until your next date. I love how real you are. You're not trying to fit in or pretend. This phrase works wonders because when you tell her that you admire her authenticity, you're letting her know that you see her exactly as she is. No filters. It makes her feel like she doesn't need to put on a mask around you because she can truly be herself. This is something many people long for, to feel accepted and not judged. By valuing her genuine nature, you're giving her the freedom to be unapologetically herself. This kind of compliment goes straight to the core of who she is and makes her feel special and secure. It's a surefire way to create a connection that goes beyond surface level attraction. Your way of seeing things fascinates me. It makes me think about so much. This phrase is incredibly powerful because it moves beyond the surface and speaks directly to her mind by saying her perspective fascinates you. You're not just complimenting her ideas, you're admiring the way she thinks, interprets the world, and makes you question your own views. This shows that you're drawn to her intelligence and her unique outlook on life, something people rarely comment on. Plus, mentioning that her opinions make you think conveys that you truly listen to and value her insights. It's about more than physical attraction. It's about forming a deeper, more meaningful connection. I admire the dedication and effort you put into what matters to you. It's inspiring when you say this to a woman. You're letting her know that you respect not just what she does, but who she is. It's like saying, I see how much you care about what you do, and I appreciate the effort you put into it. This has a massive impact because everyone wants their efforts to be noticed and valued. You're showing her that you pay attention to what truly matters to her, not just the surface stuff, and that you value her commitment by pointing out her determination. You're sending a message of admiration, not just for her goals, but for the effort she puts into achieving them. This builds a more authentic and meaningful connection. I've noticed how you make others feel good. You have something I really admire when you tell her. You've noticed how she creates a positive atmosphere around her. You're acknowledging the impact she has on others. This compliment makes her feel valued and unique. Everyone loves knowing their presence has a positive effect, and this phrase highlights that quality in her, something others might overlook by recognizing such a personal detail. You're showing that you're attuned to her essence and what makes her truly special. So there you have it, 6 incredibly effective compliments to attract a woman. I encourage you to try them out and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. I hope this video was helpful if you're serious about leveling up in life and becoming the best version of yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support not only motivates me to create more valuable content, but also helps others discover it. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and remember to stay positive until next time.